Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to see send friend requests on Facebook. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply of course go to facebook.com. So guys, from here on the Facebook homepage, you just have to simply go ahead and click on the friends tab over here, and from here, you should be able to see here, guys, the friend request tab. And from here, you should be able to see all of the list of people who friend request you. And from here, you will have two options. You can either confirm them or delete the friend request. And from here, guys, you should be able to view the sent request as well. So you can just simply click on this. And from here, you should be able to see all of the people that you have sent a friend request as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And I hope this video helped you understand more about the Facebook application or software. And thanks for watching. See ya.